Hey guys, it's Eileen from Loving Plants, and I just got some plant mail. This is coming in from Botanicaz. I ordered this off of Etsy, so stick around and I'm going to show you what's in here. All right, first time ordering from Botanicaz, and I know that people really have been pleased with them. Looks really well packaged. See if I can get these going here. I did not order the heat pack, but from the time this was shipped to arriving, it was about 3 days, I want to say. So let me move this out of the way. Okay. Like I said before in my previous unboxings, it's amazing to see how these different places will package their plants. Okay, they're telling you, okay, your plant is supported with sticks and protective fluff, wrapped in a plastic bag and then wrapped in paper for extra support. Remove each layer very carefully. So it's good that they kind of warn you, but I'm sure I'm probably like most people and I just kind of want to get to the plant as quick as possible. Let's see. Oof. Aha! Oh! Oh boy! Aww! This looks like the philodendron camposporum. I can't even say that word. Oh, really cute. Oh, look at this. Now, with this one, in the juvenile state, it kind of has that melanochrysum look where it's like an elongated leaf. But as this grows, I'm going to insert a picture, it becomes like little angel wings that come out of it, the mature size. So these are really, really adorable. Oh, I'm going to love to add this to my collection. Okay, let's take a look at this Varicosum. So far, guys, I'm highly recommending Botanicaz just in the care that they take when packaging your plants. I mean, this is quite a production. Oh. I feel like I make progress and then I have to start a new layer. We're getting there. There we go. Oh. Oh my goodness. I know Varicosums can be finicky, so I hope they did all right in the mail. Let's see. Oh, got a little bit of dirt. Wow. Aww. cute. Wow, we have this nice leaf unfurling. I hope it can continue to unfurl. Had a little bit of soil loss, but I mean, again, this has come from across the country. And look at that little varicosum. Oh my gosh. So you have this leaf. Looks like it unfurled, or is that a new growth? Looks like it came from there. And Botanicaz pricing, I mean, if you want to get like a fuller size varicosum, I mean, you're in like the $200 something range. Where here, I was able to get this guy for $60. So it's a whole different range. Now I just hope that I have the proper conditions to have them thrive. Alright guys, well if you enjoyed this unboxing, please give it a like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.